Today we're reviewing the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E5, an affordable 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop that has been gaining attention for delivering solid cleaning performance at a budget-friendly price. With 2000 Pascal suction power, it's designed to handle everyday dirt, dust, and hair, making it especially effective on laminate and hardwood floors. One of its standout features is the ability to vacuum and mop in a single pass, providing convenient daily floor care without needing multiple devices. The E5 uses intelligent navigation with a zigzag path, combined with obstacle sensors that prevent it from colliding with furniture or falling down stairs. While it doesn't have the advanced mapping capabilities found in more premium models, its compact 70mm design allows it to clean under furniture and in tight spaces with ease. Equipped with a 2600 mAh battery, the vacuum offers up to 110 minutes of cleaning on standard mode before automatically returning to its charging dock. It also includes a 400 ml dust container and seepage technology for the mop, which ensures even water distribution. On the plus side, reviewers highlight its excellent value for money, ease of use, and overall effectiveness for daily cleaning. It's simple to operate through the Mi Home or Xiaomi Home app, and it's compatible with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. The obstacle avoidance system works well, reducing the chances of the vacuum getting stuck. That said, there are trade-offs. The navigation is basic, relying on a zigzag pattern instead of smart mapping. And the model lacks premium features such as virtual no-go zones or detailed cleaning maps. For users who want advanced customization, this may be a drawback. Overall, the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E5 is a practical, budget-conscious choice for anyone seeking reliable, automated cleaning for daily use. Thank you for watching.